So I really love this vacuum cleaner. It is super lightweight. The battery pops on the back here. It is super simple to use. It has good swivel. It does also have 2 speeds. You just click this once for a smaller speed for like hard floors, or click it again for carpet. I have already used this. You can tell I've already used this on carpet. I've used it on hard floors. We do have a doodle, so we have some shedding, and I'm going to show you over here. You'll see I've got some like dog hair back here, and so I'm just going to click it one time, and I love this light on the bottom so you can see, and it totally gets all the dog hair. So that's the second speed if I'm going on carpet. And then a third click just turns it off. And it stands upright, and it is super similar to top line vacuum cleaners that are out there.